Today, we'll talk about one simple word you can stop saying right now to make your English sound way more natural and confident. Okay, let me ask you a question. How many times today have you used the word very? I mean, think about it. Very good, very tired, very interesting. It's a habit so ingrained, I guarantee every single person watching has done it. Probably, 5 times today already? I want to be clear, there's nothing grammatically wrong with saying very. It's totally fine. But if you really want to level up your language, if you want to sound more descriptive and fluent, there is a much, much better way. Well, it's all about unlocking the power of what we call strong adjectives. Strong adjective is just a single, more powerful word that does the job of very plus a basic adjective. It's more efficient. So to make this concept easy to remember, we will see 10 examples. Let's get started. The first one is good. If you say dinner was very good, I get that you didn't hate it, but I don't feel anything. The dinner was fantastic. You're signaling enthusiasm. If you tell me a movie was very good, I'm thinking, okay, it was acceptable. Instead, you could say great, or even better, wonderful or fantastic. So instead of saying, this movie is very good, try this. This movie is fantastic. Go on. Say it out loud. You can feel the extra energy, can't you? Practice. Pause the video and say, this class is fantastic. What about very beautiful? Well, you could try using stunning or gorgeous. Just imagine you're looking at an incredible view, saying the sunset is stunning. The sunset is stunning. It just paints such a more vivid picture in your mind, doesn't it? And what about when you're very hungry? Oh, there's a perfect word for that. Starving. It just communicates so much more. Like if you say, I'm starving. I didn't eat all day. I'm starving. People know you're serious about finding some food. Now here's one I think we can all relate to. After a really long day, you're not just very tired. You are exhausted. When you say I worked all day, I'm exhausted, you can almost feel the weight of that word. It's just more real. Okay, for a powerful emotion like being very angry, you can really intensify your language with words like furious or outraged. Saying she was furious about the mistake communicates a much, much deeper level of anger. And on the flip side, what about very happy? Don't just be happy, be ecstatic or thrilled or overjoyed. You know, if you get some great news, you can shout, I passed my test, I'm ecstatic. The energy is just on a whole different level. All right, let's do a simple one. Instead of very big, why not upgrade your vocabulary to huge or enormous? It's such an easy swap. That house is very big becomes, that house is huge. See, so much more impactful. And of course, on the other end of the scale, instead of saying very small, the perfect word is tiny. You could say, the box is tiny. My phone is tiny and light. Very concise and descriptive. Okay? Feeling a little chilly outside? Instead of saying it's very cold, you can really get the point across by saying it's freezing. That one word tells the whole story, doesn't it? And don't forget your coat. It's freezing outside. And finally, let's talk about the heat. When it's more than just very hot, the word you're probably looking for is sweltering. It just perfectly captures that feeling of sticky, oppressive heat. For example, it's sweltering in the summer. Your turn. Pause the video and change these sentences. Very tired, very happy, very cold. Please like, share, and subscribe to Zahraa English Academy. Practice speaking out loud. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.